want to target those buyers who have visited your Seller Central page, want to target those buyers who have added the product to the basket but not yet checked out. There are a few methods that we can utilize. So I'm going to give you 3 methods today, and I'm going to walk you through how to do that. My name is Seb and I'm the founder of Retail-Outsource. So let's jump back into the screen, and the first thing that we need to check is the search query performance. This is the full funnel. This is just an example. This is the full funnel, and the section that we are going to focus is the add to basket and purchase today. This will be the main focus. So once you have downloaded this report, you can have a look, which stage you are losing customers. So you have to focus and fix the issues for if you are getting a lot of impression, not clicks. So there are a few things that you have to look. The same goes with add to basket to purchase, or from click to add to basket. So we just have to fix those leakage, what we call internally. So in this case, add to basket to purchase, just to clarify. Let's get started. The first method is if I go to Campaign Manager, and from here it's a sponsored display ad. There are some filters that we can utilize to target those. So once you have logged in here, and there are filters that you want to do is for targeting, right? So you have to select audiences, and you will be presented with 3 options. One that we want to make is views remarketing. Basically, this will target those buyers who have visited your page, or maybe they have already added to the basket but not yet checked out, or who have viewed similar listings. So you're going a level up in this case. So you can select that option, and then here you can select how long you want to go back. You can select that filter as well. This is the first method. The second one is to adjust the price. So if you go to inventory, and if you decrease the price by maybe 5%, for example, and for all the people who have added your product to the basket will get a notification. So let me show you how it looks like. You can see this is the desktop. You can see there is an important message. It will show you that there is a price change. So if you reduce the price by even a little bit, they will get a notification, and this will be different for a mobile user. And if they are using the app, Amazon app, then they will get a notification, instant notification saying there's a reduction in price. Again, this might be a trigger that they will buy it now, and that they will buy straight away. So you can use that method as well. So that's the second method. And the last method is, again, we will go back to the Campaign Manager, and the one that we want to use is sponsored products. And inside it, you have to create a campaign which targets your own ASIN. So you have your product and you target the same ASIN. So you will have a lot of individual campaigns for each product targeting the same ASIN. How it works, so I will just brief you a little bit. So if you do that, and if somebody have visited the listing, and let's assume they're scrolling the mobile and they have seen your listing, they was just browsing, right? They didn't make the purchase, or they might made the purchase also. But in this case, we will target both. And when they come back to Amazon again on the desktop, for example, or on a mobile later on at some point, the listing will be shown again. The listing that they have previously visited will be shown again in front of them. So this is how you can use it for the manual ASIN targeted one. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks a lot for watching.